How to block spam notifications from any app. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can block spam notifications from any app. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, hit down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. Now, without any further ado, let's jump right into it. So to block spam notifications from any app on Android, you can either just go to your settings or long press on the app that is giving you those notifications. So let's say that I'm receiving such notifications from my Instagram, so I'll long press on it, tap on the eye icon or the information icon. After that, I'll be on the app info now. Similarly, you can go to your settings first, then go to the apps option. So right here, you'll find the apps that is giving you the trouble. You can head over there. And after you're here, you can find the permissions section. You can tap on permissions and basically turn off the entire notification. So if the notification is turned on, tap on it. Now here you can find multiple options. All you have to do is find the app, simply toggle off the notifications completely. Now, if you do want notifications, but you just want some notifications, some type of notifications, you can toggle this on. You can expand on show unused categories. And right here you can see multiple options. Now you can remove stuff like birthdays, groups, reels, events, and stuff like that. So you can customize the type of notification that you want and let it be. And that's basically it. And that's all for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.